Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am going to start with today's evening show. Okay, so after the match, we'll just play finish. So Ian Wright, when they talk about the match, they're not really they happy about the way the match they go because we have to do more to score more. Because Ian Wright was one of the panelists who had to watch when they analyzed how the match go because he was like, this match not supposed to end just 1-0. That we did a lot to kill off the game early. We could have scored so many in the first half that Chelsea, according to his own estimation, Chelsea were very, very poor. So why we not feel buried? Look at Trossard. Look at how Trossard played. You get Trossard wasted a lot of chances. Like, what in the talking? Those sentiments and something we say it resonates with me because if you watch when we do the full time analysis show, we were saying the same thing that we're supposed to bury this Chelsea. Now whether now again man be talk that in for studio. Say we make Chelsea come alive. Like we give them chance to come they feel say they feel equalize, they feel play. Yes, because we couldn't bury our chances. And this is the Chelsea side that was without their best player in Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson, and we couldn't just finish them off, even though they missed some of our own key players. But come on, if we don't end them. But thank God, say we still collect our 1-0, so that 1-0 is still okay. And talking about the match, say Arsenal win 1-0. I thought I don't do in press conference, so I thought I answered some of all the questions. I didn't talk a lot, and in fact, me personally, when I look the match overall, another thing why they happy for now this Merino. In as much as people will say me they no play Merino, all those kinds of, I see they happy for Merino. And if they want we not really do much, like play a lengthy period for us. It good sometimes because instead need to rest. We don't be like say we don't overplay. Instead, he need to rest. It not do very, very easy because I think that's why they try to see how go take manage in load. And my happiness we say now we get like international break like 2 weeks again. So by the time the break go don't finish, Ben White normal England no invite them. So go there for London Coney or the Soha Reality Training Center. They see how he go take improve and rehabilitate very well, become more stable and solid. You get so every other person they no invite, make them did there, make them study themselves. So that by the time when international break don't finish, we'll come to see okay our next matches. We'll see. Once you navigate those matches, boom, Real Madrid. By then, Sakata go don't fall in. Then we'll see how everything go at the end of the day. We just pray we could not get any other injury from now because from now I don't think we'll get any top four battle with the fight again. Our biggest match of the season moving forward is going to be the Real Madrid game at the Emirates Stadium, the first leg. So that's going to be our biggest match. So we'll see. No, just pray. We could not get any injury or whatever. May nothing just happen to us. Now the when they ask Ateta say on the record we'll get against the big six because the like say we get record against all the traditional top six for England. I say yes, we are capable of competing consistently with really high standards against any kind of opposition, and if we continue to do this and those things, we will get rewarded. Now what's in Mikel Arteta talk, I'm very, very happy for what's in the talks he gets. So he make a whole lot of sense. Now away from that, they ask Arteta on scoring from. So I think that's why we worked on something similar with that finish. To be fair, it was a different kind of finish plan, but we are very happy because that generates the lift in the team again, even in the stadium, the crowd, that we can score because it's something that we are missing. Well, when we've been so prolific on that end with the amount of injuries that we have to deal with in the front line, I'm so very happy with it. Yes, listen, I said, please, Merino take Boston. Even said, but the president, I think I'm going to talk about Chelsea. Chelsea have one of the best attacks in this league, you get, because they get so many players at their disposal. Now, on Mikel Merino's performances as a striker, I think that when the talk say, and we know that, like, say this Merino will play number 9 and an emergency role. Like it was an emergency situation that we are in, and in the moment, but the way he's approaching it is incredible. He wants to understand everything. He wants to learn from it. He's very critical of himself all the time. And at the end, the reality is that he's winning football matches for us, which is incredible. He has never played in that position before in his life. And people like Paul Messi will say, I don't want to see Mikel Merino. People say that time, they talk that I don't want to see Mikel. But now, Baba, we get choice. I need choice. Get. But come to think of it, if we continue like this against Madrid, does that mean Mikel Merino will come play 9? And the Arteta will change tactics, come play Trossard as 9? Because they think, I don't think over Kakuna, say, how you go be, get, but I don't really know. When that time reach, we will know what's in Arteta gets in store, because me, I don't see now. Now, if you want to happen for the match after the game, Chelsea fans, when they para, but what's happened between Enzo Maresca and Julian Timber, you know, say, I don't know what's really happened. You get, please if I miss him. Yeah, now later people, I can't say about Twitter where they in the trend. Chelsea fans the para say why Timber would disrespect their manager. I don't know what's really up, what's caused the altercation. What two of them they began small arguments. So Timber called the and say try harder. But I don't know what's in the might say try harder. I mean trying to make Timber lose in cool. I don't know. So after two of them, the Maresca said come reply and come close my tell I'm not in third Timber. But later Timber come stretch and say okay, more shake. Now say me I'm a man of God. I know the fight. I'm more shake. So only God knows what's really happened. But people on social media, I say talk about the matter. I want to believe say maybe by tomorrow we'll get clarity on how things take and go. You get. So I think I see the praise Mikel Merino as I started each of our last 6 matches up front, having been thrust into the position following injuries to Gabriel Jesus and Kai Havertz. I think I get so many good things. We'll talk about the guy. Yeah, we'll start to read everything I think I talk. We don't go cover for you. Now, away from that. So Talk Sports want to tell us one record where Odegaard break today based on the assist we give Merino boss nets against Chelsea. So now they say Martin Odegaard creates Arsenal history again against Chelsea to overtake Cesc Fabregas and Dennis Bergkamp. Now when you read the entirety of the report, they say Martin Odegaard has continued his stunning record against Chelsea since signing for Arsenal. The Gunners captain teamed up Mikel Merino for the winner. Now, this is where the Coco day. They say Odegaard now has more assists against Chelsea than any other Arsenal player in Premier League history. Before, Cesc Fabregas, he get 4 assists against Chelsea for the whole of his career. Then Dennis Bergkamp, 4 assists for the whole of his career against Chelsea. So Odegaard, we don't match their record. So today, now Odegaard can set a new record for anybody to come for future. So Odegaard don't get 5 assists against Chelsea as a whole. Now, you get what happened today. I don't know how many of you watched the match. Liverpool versus Newcastle. Newcastle beat Liverpool 2-1 to win the Carabao Cup. A cup that the last time they win any major competition was like 1970 something, about 60 something. I can't remember. A commentator being talking. You see this match? I never see any match where we say Salah play. Where we say Salah don't get any attempted shots or create any chance. 0-0. As in Salah flops today. I don't know. You say this Newcastle. When Newcastle come out for this cup, people they say, hey, Arsenal, Newcastle is supposed to breach that defense. Can you come? Baba, Liverpool with everybody that is somebody. So they bring in Federico Chiesa, bring it like not. Now Chiesa last can't even score goal. You get 9 minutes. They kept everybody quiet. You go to get good striker. See Isaac boss net. Get the Newcastle players. They worked their socks off. They played as in cramps everywhere. People they tire. They come out for match. They deserve them. Well deserved. I'm not gonna lie for you. Well deserved. So now only the league. Now Liverpool will feel lay their hands on. This is because many people they talk say maybe now Liverpool will carry the cup. I bring Yahweh and slot so they tell and say Newcastle they're a very good team. Now then when I go play and say Newcastle say we're going to meet another better team. So but God pass them and Newcastle can't win the team. But it is what it is. I celebrate them because they're very, very easy to get. Now, so they're going to give an analysis on just Arsenal when they talk say as Arsenal don't beat Chelsea now, the talk of say maybe Arsenal for top 4 race, that talk don't die. Nobody go mention them again. Was it not Roy Keane? When they come out and they talk say Manchester City go overtake Arsenal. This are the Manchester City now play now where we say they know if you win their own opponents. Yes. So that's most of all these people they come outside the public domain to make their own assertions. I will just be missing. Yeah. Look at now as we did like this. I don't think anybody feel jam us for that second one day. I know they look Nottingham Forest. Nottingham Forest no view overtake us. I don't think that can happen yet. But then they get tough match for their fronts. Now this game now Manchester United. So I don't think I go to fear say maybe they will face catch us. But that one same day. All right, my dear, that's all about sending a message from some of our sponsors. So Adexwella Aluminium and Glass. So they are into aluminum windows and doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminum roofing, office partition and cashier cubicles, and many more. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 070-8638-9722. They're located at number 64 Etire Road, Kayode Bus Stop, Mushin, Lagos. So if you want to reach out to them, please do contact them ASAP. Now, away from that, let me mention from Mobile Water Associates and Co. Limited, they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them also, you can call them on +234 8064642234. So they are located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in their services also, please reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, let me in fact say, yeah, right, the lament, say this match will play against Chelsea, that will just be the 1-0, it could have been more. Yeah, that were very, very wasteful on the day, and it happened. But all those wastefulness are not really the reason now, because at the end of the day, we won 1-0. Yeah, so that one self should be enough. All right, my dear, Arsenal lovers, 65 things for us to call the show and end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. All right, get out. All right, guys. Bye bye.